Hey, it's back to school already, but why give up on all the summer fun? Ace school with these cool hacks. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Here we go. Do you have old stinky shoes? Make them smell fresh with dryer sheets. Insert a dryer sheet in both of your shoes. Good as new. And now they're ready for gym class. Is the zipper getting stuck on your pencil case? Use a pencil and rub the lead onto the zipper. Try it and wow, no problems here. Don't forget to bring your pencil and you'll ace any class. Oh no, a math mistake. Make your own eraser with a glue gun and finish the problem later. Did you use your highlighter on a library book? Use a Q-tip and a lemon and rub your mistake away. Need a study aid? Add candies to your textbook and eat them once you finish reading each section. No stapler? No problem. Take an X-Acto knife and cut a little slit like so. Tuck in the corners and you're all set. Now you can hand in any assignment on time. Too many things and not enough hands? Take 4 rubber bands and stretch them around the cover of your notebook. Crisscross your school supplies between the bands. Now you're ready to go. Trying to find sources for a paper? Check out Google Scholar. They list scientific papers that will for sure impress your teachers. Get that paper done. Taking a break by watching a video on your phone? That's easy when you have sunglasses. Having a busy day? Take a frame and a dry erase marker. Write your plan of action and get stuff done. First week of school? Give this a go. Take a screenshot of your schedule and add it to your lock screen. Resize it and check it on the go. Who says cell phones can't be school friendly? Do you get easily distracted? Use Keep Me Out to block access to Facebook and other temptations. Get that homework done. New shoes giving you blisters? Get some duct tape and stick some to the back of your feet. Ah, much better. Want to decorate your notebook? Press differently colored highlighters together. And personalize. Hate typing? Use a speech tool so that your words get written on the page for you. Staying over at your bestie's place? Gather everything you need and put it in an empty pencil case. All set! Don't have a compass? Make your own. Link 2 paper clips together and clip markers to both ends. Keep your left hand steady and go for it. Don't have a bookmark? Don't lose your page. Stretch a rubber band around the book. Add a paper clip and line it up to the last sentence you read. This is going to be so much easier to finish. You wanted a cool whiteboard, and your mom bought you a plain corkboard? Spice it up with this hack. Write timetable on a piece of cardboard and hot glue it to the top of your corkboard. Write down the days of the week on more cardboard and get a post-it pile for each day. Hot glue the post-its to the board and the days of the week just above each pile. Take an old gift box lid and cut off one side of the lid. hot glue it to the board, like so. And of course, add some fun foam decorations. Write down what you need to work on and keep a pen handy in your little bin. This is so cool. Who says you shouldn't play with your food? Add nail polish to bow tie noodles. Glue them onto paper clips and use them as bookmarks for your school planner. Secure 2 markers with rubber bands. Then make an A, adding a 3rd marker to the pair. Get some paper and you're all set to draw some circles. Do you have one of those messy little pencil sharpeners? Grab a used Tic Tac box and insert your sharpener in the lid. Decorate with tape and a sticker. This is so much more sophisticated. Fold a sheet of construction paper into an accordion. And glue strips of construction paper between each section of the accordion so that it looks like this. Glue some cardboard onto some cool paper and cut out the corners at right angles. Bend in all the sides and make a second cardboard creation. Add some construction paper to make a book binding. You know where we're going with this. Glue the sections inside and enjoy having the cutest file folder ever. Add your reminders and stay on top of everything. Punch a hole on both ends. And tie your organizer closed. Take a cereal box and cut it like we did. Cover one side with white glue. Also add the fabric of your choice. Keep gluing. Take 4 big straws and cut them about 3/4 of the way. Hot glue the end of the straws and squish the ends together with binder clips. When dry, hot glue the straws to the side of the cereal box. Now you have a magazine holder that also holds pens and markers, all organized and ready to study. Take an empty nail polish container and add some clear polish into it. Don't forget to add some glitter. Cut the end of a marker with an X-Acto knife. Insert the end into the container and hot glue it into place. Put the lid back on the container. Now you have a glitter marker. Do you only have the boring plain staples? Make ones in your favorite color with nail polish. Make sure to cover up the top part really well. When dry, add them to your stapler and staple away. See the difference? hope you loved our weird hacks to get an A+. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See ya!